Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So I am now going to introduce to you the grading system for the junior high school students. So first things first, so we're going to ensure that this particular grading system will function well. So we're in this particular version, this is Excel 2007 version. So in this particular version, so there is a office button in here. So we're going to select this office button, then choose Excel options, then afterwards, so we are now in here. So once you are in here, you're going to choose Trust Center, then afterwards, Trust Center Settings. Ito po yan siya. So pag maklik nyo yan, so you're going to choose enable macro settings, then enable all macros, then trust, i-check po natin yung trust access to the BBA project object model. Then once na enable nyo na at na-check na ang trust access to the BBA project object model, so press OK, then press OK again. You're going to close the file, then open it again. Open po natin again yung grading system junior high school. Okay, so okay na po yan siya. Magpa-function na yun po yung ano natin, yung macro natin na program in this particular grading system. So that's all